Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this session of PHP. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. In this basic session of PHP, the chapters that we will be studying are: first chapter is Introduction to PHP. In this chapter, we will evaluate why PHP is growing more popular than other scripting languages like ASP, and other topics like the syntax of PHP, variables and constants, how they are being created, and many more. In second chapter, which is handling HTML form with PHP, we would see how we can submit the form data to the database and how we can connect HTML to the server using PHP. In chapter 3, we will study about decisions and loops. Decisions means choosing one possible alternative out of the available possibilities. And loops means repetition of actions until certain condition becomes true. So what are the constructs used in the formation of decisions and loops will be studied in chapter 4. In chapter 5, we will learn to create user defined functions. Apart from the built-in functions available in PHP, we would see how we can create our own functions, how we can pass arguments, and what is the scope of the variables, both local and global, to the functions. In chapter 5, we will study about strings, functions that handle strings, and how PHP can manipulate strings will be studied in this chapter. In chapter 6, we will study about an array. An array is a single variable that can hold multiple values at one time. So how PHP can handle and manipulate arrays will be studied in this chapter. PHP can also be used to create, rename, open, and save files as well as directories. This will be studied in chapter 6. Next chapter is about state management, in which we will be studying about sessions and cookies. Next chapter is about string matching with regular expressions, how we can create patterns and how patterns can be used to match a string will be studied in this chapter. How we can create images, manipulate with them in PHP, and how we can connect with database with MySQL using PHP will be studied in this PHP basic session. Thank you very much.